tree is shaking. Oh my god, I just saw a flash. It's okay, little boy. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting. Oh, I just saw a car drive by. Oh my god, we don't know what's gonna happen. We were waiting to attend my family and friend's birthday, but it's raining right now. 6:20 on August 7th, Friday. I'm getting scared. Wait, we'll go the other way. Oh my god. What a disaster. What is this? I just hope a tree branch didn't fall. Or a tree get uprooted.
Yeah.
That was my fear. And then like hitting the house.
Okay. Okay.
Poor Madrid. Poor Madrid.
No sé.
Yes, yep, it is. Yep, it is today. That's okay, little boy.